Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your skin but better makeup look, or you can say no makeup look. Keep watching if you want to know how I did it. So I have already prepped my face. Let's take a hair clip or whatever it is you want to use to clip your hair so it won't get in the way when doing your makeup. I'm using a matte Fix Plus spray from MAC to prime my face. Give it a good shake and spray it all over your face. Now go and grab your fan or paper or whatever and dry your face immediately. Give your skin a good tap to make sure that it's dry and ready for the next step. Today I'm going to use my Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Squeeze the product on the back of the hand, and as usual, I'm going to use my fingers to apply the primer all over my face. Next, I'm going to use CANMAKE's eye primer to prime my lids and under my eye to prevent creasing. Moving on to the brows. I'm not going to do much with my embroidered eyebrows, so I'm going to use this eyebrow wax instead. Before applying the wax, I like to bend my disposable mascara wand first and spray it with water so it's a little damp. Take a good amount of wax and brush it to your eyebrows. This wax helps to keep your eyebrows hair more visible naturally. Now I'm taking this eyebrow liquid pen by Nongchat to create strokes and create dimension to it and the illusion of a fuller eyebrows. Next, I'm creating a peach color corrector for my insomnia, sleepy and tired eyes. I'm applying the corrector with my ring finger so that I have more control of where I want to apply it. Afterwards, I take a damp sponge to blend it. In this video, I'm using foundation by LANCOME. It's very lightweight and easy to blend. Pump it out and put on a palette. For a skin-like finish, I like to use this liquid glass serum and mix it with my foundation. I'm going to apply the foundation all over my face using this Real Technique brush. This foundation has a very lightweight texture, but mixing it with the serum makes it even more skin-like, and it doesn't really cover imperfections such as freckles, but I do like to keep it that way. I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer for my dark circles. I usually use brush to pack it under my eyes with a patting motion and use a sponge to blend it after. Since I have eye bags due to my sleep deprivation, I use a darker concealer to lessen the visibility of my eye bags. Using this blush cushion by 3CE, I'm going to create a natural contour on my face. By the way, this cushion has a really good smell. It smells like baby powder. Starting by contouring my nose using a brush, I started by applying some products on my nose. But to create more depth and dimension, I'm applying the product in between the nose area and above my eyes to create dimension in that area. Next, I'm using this slightly fluffy brush to contour my cheek, jaw, and forehead area. I swear this blush is like one of the best things I've ever bought because it creates such a fine and natural contour for my face. The negative thing is the only fact that it's only applicable to people with light or fair skin. For the blush, I'm going to mix this blush cushion. Using a spatula, I squeeze a little bit of product on the cushion and mix it on the palette to create a more salmony color. Is salmony even a word? Now let's blend it with our multi-purpose sponge. Take a concealer or foundation to clean and conceal lightly underneath your brows for a neater appearance. Finally, take a fluffy brush to set your makeup. Don't forget to check your eye area first and blend it if there are any creasing. I drench my face with AVENE and quickly take a fan to completely dry my face. I find that this helps set and lock your makeup more, plus create a more natural looking finish. Next, I'm going to use CANMAKE's Cream Cheek Blush number 16 for my eyes to create, again, dimension and natural looking finish. If you really look at your face, you should notice that your true skin color usually have different color around your eyes. Well, duh. And in my case, I find it to appear slightly brownish and pinkish color. So I'm going to imitate that color and apply it where it would complement my eyes. Okay, coffee break. No penting. Take a brown pencil liner for a more subtle eye lining. Brown has a more natural finish than black. Just line your eyes right where your God-given eyelash are growing to create more depth to your eyes, especially if you have thin eyelash like me, and a little on the outer half of the waterline. Don't forget to blend, as it could end up looking harsh if you don't blend it. I'm going to use this e.l.f. contour palette to set my eyeliner. You always have to set your pencil liners or cream liners so it won't budge and mess your whole eye makeup. Since my eye bags are still bothering me, I take MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation to lessen the visibility of them stubborn eye bags. I'm using eyelash curler to curl my lashes. These are the Shuemura's ones. Don't forget to give it a good squeeze. Next, I'm taking my lip liners by Rimmel. I'm using two colors of lip liners. The first color is a color that's similar to my natural lip color and it's lighter. And the darker lip liner is to create depth on your lips. Now I'm using this peachy orangey color velvet tint that creates a natural finish for my look. I'm blotting my lips with a tissue. Trust me, it looks just like your true lip color afterwards. To be honest, I don't know why I didn't fold the tissue elegantly and look as if I'm eating the tissue instead. Next, I'm taking this mascara from HEROINE to create a naturally longer looking eyelash. Then I take a brown eyeliner pen to give slightly more depth to my eyes by applying it on top of my eyelash. Oh, I forgot to give mascara for my bottom eyelash, so I'm taking this mascara and apply it on my bottom lash. Okay, brain fart. I'm going to give a little lip gloss so my lips look more hydrated and healthy. Oh yeah, don't forget to set your makeup with the makeup setting spray. Here I use the original Max Fix Plus to do it. I'm using a highlighter by Rollover Reaction. It has a beautiful natural glow finish. I'm applying this highlighter using this brush. With the fluffy brush you previously used to set your makeup, use the leftover products on the brush and brush lightly all over your face to create a more subtle look. And we're done. Be right back, I'm gonna change. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know. If you like this video or find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let me know if you ever tried this look. Have fun! Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.